secret to keeping the menu at the Pier innovative is simple: our talented partners. I'm Bernard Mills, the head of dining and hospitality at cathaypacific, and I'm at the Pier First Lounge in Hong Kong.
我係32公館總廚李文星師傅。
We chose Mott 32 because we thought it was an iconic Hong Kong-grown brand that has expanded internationally, that also shares our values of authenticity, thoughtfulness and care.
今次呢個菜單理念咧，就傳統加上創新啦，結合咗唔同地方咧，會令到大家都更加會記得我哋香港。
The menu's been designed as a tasting experience with an amuse-bouche and aperitif, a starter and a main course, with the menu changing every 2 months. We look at all the usual things, making sure that we have the right balance of proteins and variety, because we know that we need to meet the needs, both our local Hong Kong customers, but also our international customers that might be flying with us for the very first time.
我哋平時試味嘅時間咧，甜酸苦辣乜都有，但我哋要平衡啦，又要有香啦，又要有脆啦，個感覺就會更加好啊。
Dish development is a process that takes execution and quality into careful consideration.
其實我哋每季都有轉唔同嘅食材啦，咁好似今季我哋偏冷，我哋會俾少少辣嘅菜式裏邊咧，咁咧人會更加開胃咯。
The deep-fried black cod shows how we're dedicated to using traditional Hong Kong cooking methods with non-traditional ingredients. It's just this amazing balance of flavours and textures, savoury and spicy, with the delicate sweetness of the fish and crunch from the garlic. And what are the elements needed to make this dish complete? What should be served with? What are the best accompaniments? But we also look at how that dish is plated and what serviceware we use to make sure that the dish delivers a maximum impact from both a visual and taste perspective. We want our customers to feel the same level of thoughtfulness, care and curation in this partnership that we aim to create throughout the end-to-end customer journey. And I believe that's what makes Cathay Pacific unique, is that attention to detail.
今次嘅菜希望俾世界各地都認識到香港啦，食到我哋香港最好食嘅餸啦。
So whether you're a loyal Hong Kong customer or perhaps flying with us for the very first time, we want this menu and experience to showcase the best of us and the best of this city through the partnership with Mott 32. This menu starts on the 21st of January and will run for the next 12 months. So we look forward to seeing you the next time you travel through the Pier First in Hong Kong.